Let me show you how to force restart your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let's say you've encountered some problems with the watch and you cannot restart it the normal way or the soft manner. You can actually force a restart of the watch, and this more often than not fixes problems. All right. So what you want to do is just long press on these two buttons. Okay. So the back button and the home button. You want to long press on these two buttons until the watch automatically restarts. So you're gonna see the Samsung logo and the watch will boot right back up. Okay, so press and hold. 1, 2, go. Let's do this together. 1, 2, go. Press and hold. Just press and hold. Ignore the power menu. Just keep holding. Just keep holding. Screen goes dark. Let go and you should see Samsung rebooting. So that's basically how to force restart your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.